Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Now let's say that you have this project right here on your Figma account and you want to transfer it to your Wix Studio. To do that, you should go up right here on the top left corner, click on this icon, then hover over tools, and now we have to click on import from Figma. Just click on it, then it will show you this page. Now you have to enter the link right here. So I'm going to open my Figma project, then click on share on the top right corner right here and click on copy link, and I will paste the link just right here, then click on connect. Now once you click on connect, you should go back to your Figma and click on this icon right here, and now I have to go to plugins, then search for Figma to Wix Studio. Once you type Wix, it will show you the plugin just right here. Just click on the plugin, then it will show you this window. Click on setup export, then check this option. Here it is just telling you to copy the link and paste it as we did in the first step. Then click on next, start export. Then you will have to export the styles and export the frame. So I'm gonna click on export styles, then choose the frame that you want to export. You have to just select it like this, and then we're gonna just select them like this. Then I will wait till they finish loading, and after that you can simply click on export styles. Now once you finish, you should now go back and export the frame. You should also select it like this. Then after selection, you can see it right here, then click on export frame. Now what you should do is to go back to your Wix, then click on refresh import right here, and it will just take a couple of seconds. Then it will show you this page right here. Now you have to click on add to site, then it will take a couple of seconds to load again. Then here you are, you have the whole project and the whole design just right here. Now you can modify it using Wix and change or edit anything that is inside the project. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.